In this video, we'll walk you through how to download and save Instagram stories directly to your gallery. If you find this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. This method is really handy because it allows you to keep a copy of any Instagram story in your phone's gallery for safekeeping. I'll show you two different ways to do it. For the first method, go to your profile page and tap the three lines in the top right corner. This will open your settings and activity options. Next, scroll down until you see the Archiving and Downloading section. Tap on it and then look for the Saving to Camera Roll option. Here you can enable the Save Story to Camera Roll setting, which will automatically download stories to your gallery. You can also turn on the Save Original Photos option if you'd like to save those as well. These settings will apply to future stories. If you'd like to download a story you've already posted, head to your profile and tap on the story you want to save. Once it's open, click the three dots in the bottom right corner. From there, choose the Save option, and you can save it as either a photo or a full story. For this example, I'll save it as a photo, and that's it. The story has now been saved to your gallery.